This is the one with the bad DVD drive, number 15. Starting up. Got a blue light. Going here. We did nothing to fix the startup issue. It just starts. We did replace the DVD drive. By the way, for this video and the other video from Miss Ware's computer, there's no sound because we don't have the speakers plugged in. The sound, I'm sure, works. Alright, so this mouse moves. The clicker works on the mouse. Let's see, Microsoft Word. That seems to be the important thing everybody cares about. Of course, okay, test worked. So the keyboard works, the mouse works. Now we're going to put in, this is a DVD of Windows 7. It is unknown whether this thing's going to pop up and ask us if we want to open the disk or what. I don't know how it's configured or anything like that. We'll find out shortly. Yep, it popped up.
Captain, incoming message.
Nope, we'll just open the folder. And as you can see, drive D, there's a disk. So, excellent. And let's see, computer, drive D right there, and I'm going to eject it. And so that worked. So we're going to call this one a success as well. Yay. So okay. Once this turns off, I can return these two tomorrow. And
No, we did check that.